Hi you guys, how are you? I just wanted to show you this crazy dryer. Look at that. This is the Dyson dryer. I guess this is the salon version. It's really kooky and neat. It comes with a magnetic styling concentrator so he can concentrate. It has little lights. Goes fast and slow, hot and cold. The motor is in here. It comes with a really nice diffuser that magnetics on. It's pretty light. It can get loud, but it's not that terrible. I like it for shorter hair. I really like it for round brushing shorter hair. For my long hair, thicker hair clients, I still like my Bioionic 10 times dryer. I say this is for my Lady Dianas and that my Bioionic is for my Kate Middletons, but this dryer is really super fun to use. It's zippy, it's kooky, and it's beautiful. It matches my nails. It dries Matt's hair like crazy. Look how good he looks. Look at that, and even Coco. Look how excited she is this morning about it. That's all. I'm sure I forgot like 20 things, but that's all right. You guys have a good day. Bye.